Chapter 6, Exploratory Data Analysis. Chapter 6.3, which is the top-selling subcategory?
Which is the top-selling subcategory?
Let's make a table showing the sales quantity.
All right.
Type the code like this into next code cell of your notebook.
What does this code mean?
This code groups the data by subcategory and creates the table. Panda's data frame function creates a data frame that is a two-dimensional data structure. The data is aligned in a tabular fashion in rows and columns. Panda's dataframe.groupBy function groups the data according to the categories and applies a function to the categories.
What does this code mean?
This code sorts by descending order according to quantity. Panda's sort_values function sorts a data frame in ascending or descending order of past column. Ascending means Boolean value, which sorts data frame in ascending order if true.
Got it.
Click on the play button or hit Shift plus Enter.
We can see the table showing the sales quantity now.
Then, let's create a bar plot to make the table easier to see for top-selling subcategory.
All right.
Type the code like this into the next code cell of your notebook.
What does this code mean?
This code creates the bar plot for top-selling subcategory. The seaborn.barplot function creates bar plots that represent the observed values in rectangular bars. To use this plot, we choose a categorical column for the x-axis and a numerical column for the y-axis. And we'll see that it creates a plot taking a mean per categorical column.
Got it.
Click on the play button or hit Shift plus Enter.
We can see the bar plot for top-selling subcategory now.
That's right. What can we learn from bar plots?
Here, we can deduce that Superstore should ensure inventory is always well-stocked for the top-selling subcategory, such as binders, paper, furnishings, and phones.
Well done.